So create a simple web application with SQL injection vulnerability. Vulnerability. Develop a simple PHP web application that is vulnerable to SQL injection. Thus, exploit the vulnerability to access the database and retrieve data. Note if your system is vulnerable to SQL injection by attempting to gain access using SQL injection techniques. Then modify the code to prevent SQL injection using prepared statements. So, ito yung PHP application, web application. So, try natin mag-login user. Siya. So, so for the login, PHP. So, username, password, ano lang siya, simple query. So, pag ginamitan natin ng so, napasok. Oh, napasok pa rin siya. So, if this one gagamit na natin, pag ito naman gagamitin, prepared statement. So, statement, connection prepare SQL, statement, then param ss, string, execute. So, pag ano na, pupunta na siya dito. Pag, ano na, gagamitin na tulad yun. So, dapat di siya mag-login. So, oops. So, hindi siya pwede. So, yun lang prepared statement natin. SQL statement connection prepare.